Best places to sell handmade products. Promoting handmade gadgets online is a brilliant way to meet your creative side whilst rolling your very own commercial enterprise, and there's no higher time to start than right now. What started out as a noticeably small area of interest within the e-commerce world, homemade products has become a complete grown industry within the beyond several years. If you're interested in beginning your very own online enterprise selling handcrafted gadgets, right here's the whole thing you want to recognize. Pros and cons of selling handmade items online. As with any new endeavor, there are advantages and disadvantages to starting a handmade crafts business online. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Pros of selling handmade items online. Your business will involve selling products you're passionate about. You can work from home, on your own schedule. You can quickly change your product line when you want to. You can establish a loyal and repeat customer base. There are various sites and marketplaces where you can sell handmade products online. Cons of selling handmade items online. Finding the perfect niche within the handmade crafts market can be challenging. Depending on your items, production, sourcing materials, order fulfillment can be time-consuming, making scalability difficult. Handmade products have to be of consistent and exceptional quality to sell successfully. It may become boring or tiresome to keep making the same products over and over again. Sourcing materials for handmade items. You might start out by finding materials to make handmade items at craft stores or websites, flea markets, estate sales, and other retail stores. However, your best, most economical option is to find wholesale suppliers online and to buy materials in bulk. There are hundreds of suppliers to choose from. Here are some to consider. Oriental Trading Company, Paper Mart, Fun Express, Alibaba, Joann's, Darras.